Event report, Musk exploring blockchain use in U.S. government efficiency effort. Date, January 25, 2025. Overview. On January 25, 2025, reports surfaced detailing Elon Musk's exploration of blockchain technology as a means to enhance efficiency within the newly formed Department of Government Efficiency DOGE. This initiative, launched under the Trump administration, seeks to modernize federal operations and address issues of wasteful spending, aligning with President Trump's campaign commitments to reduce the national deficit. Key developments. 1. Initial discussions. Musk and his team have begun conversations regarding the integration of blockchain technology into various government operations. Possible applications discussed include tracking federal spending, securing sensitive data, facilitating payments, and managing government facilities. These discussions illustrate a broader interest in utilizing digital assets to increase governmental transparency and accountability. 2. Formation of DOGE. The Department of Government Efficiency was officially established through an executive order signed by President Trump on January 20, 2025. The primary objective of DOGE is to collaborate with the White House Office of Management and Budget to identify and implement potential spending cuts, with a deadline set for July 4, 2026 to finalize its recommendations. 3. Engagement with blockchain networks. Representatives from DOGE have reportedly engaged with various public blockchain platforms to evaluate their capabilities. Although specific blockchain technologies have not been disclosed, these discussions indicate a serious intent to explore how blockchain can improve governmental operations. 4. Support for digital assets. The Trump administration has demonstrated a supportive stance towards the digital asset sector. The recent establishment of a working group on digital assets incorporating key administration figures underscores a significant shift towards adopting blockchain technology. 5. Challenges and skepticism. Despite the promising prospects of blockchain, experts have raised concerns regarding its implementation. Questions about the potential loss of control over public blockchains, as well as the practicality of blockchain compared to existing database systems, have been noted. Some analysts argue that while blockchain may enhance security and transparency, traditional databases might suffice for many governmental functions. 6. Historical context. The concept of utilizing blockchain for large-scale applications is not unprecedented. Various corporations have attempted to implement blockchain solutions in the past, often facing governance challenges and difficulties in proving cost-effectiveness compared to traditional technologies. 7. Potential impact. If effectively implemented, the use of blockchain within the U.S. government could signify an ambitious effort to revolutionize federal operations, particularly in managing data and tracking expenditures. Common themes across sources. The initiative aims to leverage blockchain technology to improve governmental efficiency. There is a clear alignment between Musk's endeavors and the Trump administration's favorable policies towards digital assets. Experts express cautious optimism, acknowledging the limitations and potential pitfalls of government-wide blockchain adoption. Differences in sources. Bloomberg emphasizes the strategic implications and specific use cases of blockchain, whereas Fortune focuses on the political context of Musk's involvement and the administration's broader goals. Decrypt provides insights on the influence of the cryptocurrency landscape on these developments. Timeline of events. January 20, 2025, establishment of the Department of Government Efficiency DOGE via executive order. January 25, 2025, reports reveal Musk's exploration of blockchain technology for enhancing government efficiency. Conclusion. Elon Musk's exploration of blockchain technology within the U.S. government represents a significant intersection of technology, governance, and finance. While the potential to revolutionize federal operations exists, it is accompanied by notable challenges and skepticism from experts. The ongoing discussions and evaluations of blockchain capabilities will play a crucial role in determining the future effectiveness of this initiative. Elon Musk's exploration of blockchain technology for enhancing efficiency within the U.S. government, particularly through the newly formed Department of Government Efficiency DOGE, presents several counterintuitive aspects that challenge conventional wisdom regarding the use of such technology in public administration. 1. Efficiency versus traditional databases. One of the most striking counterintuitive points is the suggestion that blockchain, often touted for its efficiency in private sector applications, may not actually be more efficient than existing database systems for many government functions. Experts have voiced skepticism, arguing that traditional databases could suffice for tracking spending and securing data without the added complexities and potential drawbacks of blockchain. This leads to a critical question: is the push for blockchain genuinely about improving efficiency, or is it more about leveraging a trendy technology that may not be necessary? 2. Decentralization versus government control. The use of public blockchains, which are inherently decentralized, poses a significant challenge for government oversight. Typically, government entities require a degree of control over their data and processes to ensure accountability and compliance with regulations. The idea that a public blockchain, where entries are managed by a decentralized network, could be effectively used by a government agency contradicts the fundamental nature of governmental operations, which rely heavily on centralized control. This raises an ironic tension between the decentralized ethos of blockchain and the centralized nature of government. 3. Historical precedents of failure. The historical context reveals that many corporations have attempted large-scale blockchain solutions only to face significant challenges, including governance issues and difficulties in proving cost-effectiveness compared to traditional technologies. This suggests that despite the hype surrounding blockchain, past experiences indicate a high likelihood of failure in similar government initiatives. The counterintuitive takeaway is that the government may be pursuing a path that has already been proven problematic in the private sector. 4. Political alignment versus practical implementation. The alignment of Musk's blockchain initiatives with the Trump administration's digital asset-friendly policies may seem politically savvy, but could also lead to a disconnection between political intentions and practical implementation. The enthusiasm for blockchain could cloud judgment regarding its actual utility, leading to a scenario where political goals drive technological adoption rather than genuine efficiency improvements. This creates a paradox where the desire for modernization may result in the adoption of untested or unsuitable technologies. 5. Public perception versus expert opinion. The public's fascination with blockchain and cryptocurrencies often contrasts sharply with expert skepticism about their practical applications in government. While many view blockchain as a revolutionary technology, experts caution against overestimating its benefits. This divergence highlights a counterintuitive gap where public enthusiasm may lead to initiatives that experts believe are misguided or misaligned with practical needs. 6. Potential for increased complexity. Implementing blockchain technology could introduce additional layers of complexity into government operations. The very nature of blockchain, requiring consensus for changes, ensuring transparency, and maintaining security, might complicate processes that could otherwise be straightforward using traditional methods. This suggests that rather than simplifying government operations, blockchain might inadvertently create more bureaucratic hurdles. 7. Skepticism of cost savings. The expectation that blockchain will lead to significant cost savings is another area of counterintuitive thinking. While proponents argue that blockchain can reduce fraud and waste, experts point out that the initial investment, ongoing maintenance, and potential inefficiencies inherent in blockchain systems may offset any anticipated savings. This challenges the assumption that new technologies will inherently lead to lower costs. In summary, the exploration of blockchain technology within the U.S. government, particularly as led by Elon Musk through the DOGE initiative, reveals several counterintuitive realities. These include the juxtaposition of blockchain's perceived efficiency against traditional databases, the tension between decentralization and the need for government control, historical failures of similar initiatives, and the potential complexity and cost implications of adopting such technology. Collectively, these insights suggest that the push for blockchain in government operations may not be as straightforward as it appears, and careful consideration must be given to its actual utility and implications. In the report regarding Elon Musk's exploration of blockchain technology for enhancing efficiency in the newly established Department of Government Efficiency DOGE, several key points emerge that may be overlooked by the general audience yet hold significant implications for the future of government operations and the role of technology in public administration. 1. Department of Government Efficiency DOGE formation. The establishment of the DOGE is significant not only for its mission but also for its timing and political context. Created through an executive order by President Trump, it reflects a strategic pivot towards modernizing federal operations amid concerns over national deficits. The choice of the name DOGE itself, which references a cryptocurrency, signals a playful yet serious intent to align government initiatives with emerging technologies. This is not just a casual naming choice, it demonstrates a broader acceptance and willingness to integrate digital assets into government operations, setting a precedent for future technological endeavors in the public sector. 2. Musk's involvement and influence. Musk's direct involvement as the head of DOGE is a notable element. His reputation as a tech innovator and entrepreneur brings a different perspective to government operations, which have traditionally been slow to adopt new technologies. The fact that Musk has enlisted volunteers to develop code for government projects indicates a grassroots approach to innovation. This could potentially lead to a more agile and responsive government structure, contrasting with the bureaucratic nature often associated with federal agencies. The implications of Musk's leadership in this context could redefine how public policies are formed and implemented, especially regarding technology adoption. 3. Engagement with blockchain networks. The discussions with various public blockchain representatives are crucial. While many people may focus on the potential applications of blockchain for tracking federal spending or securing data, the act of engaging with multiple blockchain networks signifies a willingness to explore diverse technological solutions. This openness may lead to the development of hybrid systems that could combine the benefits of public and private blockchains, thus addressing the criticisms of both. This engagement is significant because it could foster innovation not just within government but also stimulate the broader blockchain ecosystem, encouraging collaboration between public sector needs and private sector capabilities. 4. Skepticism and challenges. While there is enthusiasm for blockchain's potential, the skepticism voiced by experts is a critical aspect that deserves attention. Concerns regarding the efficiency of blockchain compared to existing database systems highlight a significant challenge: the need to critically evaluate whether new technologies genuinely offer improvements over established methods. This skepticism is vital as it emphasizes the importance of rigorous analysis before implementation, ensuring that taxpayer dollars are used effectively. The discourse around these challenges can lead to a more informed and cautious approach to technological implementation in government, which is essential for maintaining public trust. 5. Historical context and lessons learned. The historical context of previous blockchain implementations in corporations provides valuable lessons that should not be overlooked. Many large-scale blockchain projects have faced governance issues and struggled to demonstrate cost-effectiveness. The report's mention of Gartner's prediction regarding enterprise blockchain implementations highlights the reality that not all blockchain solutions succeed. Understanding these past failures can guide the DOGE initiative in avoiding similar pitfalls, ensuring that any adopted technologies are scalable, sustainable, and genuinely beneficial for government operations. 6. Potential impact on federal operations. The potential impact of successfully integrating blockchain into government operations cannot be understated. If executed effectively, this initiative could transform how federal data is managed and expenditures are tracked, ultimately leading to a significant reduction in waste and increased transparency. The idea that this could represent one of the most ambitious public administration endeavors to date suggests a paradigm shift in how government functions. However, this potential is contingent upon addressing the aforementioned challenges and ensuring that stakeholders are aligned and adequately prepared for such a transformation. 7. Broader implications for digital assets. The Trump administration's favorable stance toward the digital asset industry is evidenced by the formation of a working group on digital assets signals a broader acceptance of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology in governance. This acceptance could pave the way for future regulatory frameworks that embrace innovation while ensuring consumer protection and financial stability. The significance of this shift is profound, as it may lead to the U.S. setting a global standard for how governments can incorporate digital assets into their operations. 8. Public perception and trust. Finally, the public's perception of Musk leading such an initiative may also impact its success. While Musk's innovative reputation can attract attention and enthusiasm, there are also concerns about trust and competence in government operations. The juxtaposition of a private sector figure leading public sector reform could lead to skepticism among citizens who may question whether such initiatives prioritize public interest over profit motives. This trust dynamic is significant and underscores the importance of transparency and accountability in the execution of DOGE's initiatives. Conclusion. The exploration of blockchain technology by Elon Musk within the U.S. government presents an intersection of technology, governance, and finance that could reshape public administration. The overlooked elements of DOGE's formation, Musk's influence, the engagement with blockchain networks, the skepticism surrounding technology adoption, and the historical context of blockchain implementations are all critical components that will influence the initiative's success. As the government seeks to modernize, a thoughtful approach that balances innovation with caution and transparency will be essential in realizing the potential of blockchain technology in enhancing government efficiency. 1. Potential use cases of blockchain in government operations. The exploration of blockchain technology by Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency DOGE aims to address inefficiencies within federal operations. Key use cases being discussed include tracking federal spending, securing sensitive data, facilitating payments, and managing government infrastructure. This initiative represents a significant shift towards modernizing how the government handles financial transactions and data management, potentially increasing transparency and accountability. 2. Political context and administration support. The favorable stance of the Trump administration towards digital assets plays a crucial role in the DOGE initiative. The establishment of a working group on digital assets and a focus on reducing wasteful spending aligns with Musk's strategies. This political backing indicates a broader governmental interest in integrating blockchain technology, which could pave the way for future innovations in federal operations. 3. Challenges and limitations of blockchain adoption. Despite the potential benefits, experts express skepticism regarding blockchain's efficiency compared to traditional systems. Concerns include the loss of control over public blockchain's governance issues and whether the technology genuinely provides advantages over existing database solutions. Analysts suggest that while blockchain can enhance security and transparency, it may not always be the most practical choice for government functions, highlighting the need for careful evaluation of its applicability. 4. Historical context of blockchain in large organizations. The challenges faced by corporations in implementing blockchain solutions serve as a cautionary tale for DOGE. Many previous attempts by businesses to integrate blockchain technology encountered governance issues and failed to demonstrate clear cost effectiveness. This historical precedent raises important questions about the feasibility of implementing blockchain on a governmental scale and whether similar pitfalls could hinder DOGE's objectives. 1. The U.S. government's use of blockchain for supply chain management. In recent years, the United States government has explored the potential of blockchain technology for enhancing supply chain management, particularly in the Department of Defense (DOD). The initiative emerged in response to concerns over security, transparency, and efficiency in military logistics. By implementing blockchain solutions, the DoD aims to track the provenance of materials and equipment, reduce fraud, and improve the accountability of its supply chains. Similar to Musk's exploration of blockchain for government efficiency, this case illustrates the potential of blockchain to revolutionize governmental operations and enhance efficiency across various departments. 2. Estonia's e-governance and blockchain initiatives. Estonia has been a pioneer in utilizing digital technology and blockchain to enhance government efficiency. The Estonian government implemented a blockchain-based e-governance system that allows citizens to access various public services online securely and transparently. The system ensures the integrity and security of data while streamlining processes such as voting, company registration, and health records management. The success of Estonia's initiatives serves as a historical precedent for other governments, including the US, to explore blockchain technology as a means to improve operational efficiency and citizen engagement. 3. IBM and Maersk's TradeLens blockchain project. In 2018, IBM and Maersk launched the TradeLens project, leveraging blockchain technology to enhance transparency and efficiency in global trade logistics. This initiative aimed to create a shared record of shipping events and documents, streamlining the supply chain process for participants across the logistics ecosystem. By digitizing and securing transaction data on a blockchain, TradeLens has the potential to reduce inefficiencies, lower costs, and enhance visibility in the shipping industry. This case parallels Musk's exploration of blockchain in government, highlighting the technology's potential to transform traditional operational frameworks through increased transparency and accountability. Future outlook: predictions for the use of blockchain in U.S. government efficiency. Elon Musk's exploration of blockchain technology within the newly established Department of Government Efficiency (DOGE) is poised to reshape how federal operations are conducted. As discussions progress, we can anticipate several potential developments and implications for the future of government efficiency, transparency, and public trust. Here are key predictions regarding the trajectory of blockchain integration into U.S. government operations. 1. Enhanced transparency and accountability. The primary advantage of blockchain technology lies in its ability to create immutable records of transactions. If successfully implemented, this could lead to unprecedented levels of transparency in government spending. Citizens would be able to track how taxpayer money is spent in real time, leading to increased public trust in government operations. Over the next few years, we could see a gradual rollout of blockchain systems that allow for public access to federal spending data, thereby holding government agencies accountable for their expenditures. 2. Streamlined administrative processes. Blockchain can significantly reduce bureaucratic inefficiencies by automating various administrative tasks. Smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code, could automate processes such as grant disbursements, contract management, and compliance verification. As DOGE develops its systems, we may witness a reduction in paperwork and processing times, ultimately leading to a leaner and more responsive government. 3. Integration of digital assets in government transactions. The Trump administration's favorable stance towards digital assets indicates a potential shift towards incorporating cryptocurrencies in government transactions. In the coming years, we could see pilot programs that utilize blockchain for making government payments, whether it be for payroll, vendor payments, or tax collections. This could not only expedite transactions but also reduce costs associated with traditional banking systems. 4. Improved data security and integrity. Blockchain's decentralized nature offers enhanced security for sensitive government data. By utilizing blockchain for data storage and access, the government could mitigate the risks of hacking and data breaches. Over the next decade, we might see a transition of sensitive information such as health records or financial data On to secure blockchain networks, thus improving data integrity and protection against unauthorized access. 5. Challenges and resistance. Despite the potential benefits, the path to widespread blockchain adoption in government will not be without challenges. Resistance may arise from within government agencies accustomed to traditional systems. Concerns regarding the loss of control over public data on decentralized networks, as well as skepticism about the actual efficiency improvements compared to existing database systems, could hinder progress. Overcoming such resistance will require robust advocacy, education, and pilot projects demonstrating tangible benefits. 6. Public-private partnerships and collaboration. As the initiative progresses, we may see increased collaboration between government entities and private blockchain firms. Partnerships could facilitate the sharing of expertise and resources, leading to more effective implementation of blockchain solutions. This could pave the way for innovative platforms that integrate various technologies, ultimately enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of government operations. 7. Legislative and regulatory framework development. The adoption of blockchain technology in government will necessitate the development of new regulations and policies to govern its use, especially concerning digital assets. We can expect legislative bodies to engage in discussions around the legal implications of blockchain, including data privacy, security standards, and the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies. This regulatory evolution will be crucial in establishing a framework that fosters innovation while safeguarding public interests. 8. Long-term cultural shift in government operations. The integration of blockchain could catalyze a broader cultural shift within government operations, emphasizing innovation, agility, and responsiveness. As agencies adopt new technologies, we might see a gradual transformation in how public servants approach their work, prioritizing efficiency and accountability. This cultural shift could enhance job satisfaction among government employees and improve service delivery to citizens. 9. Increased scrutiny and evaluation. As blockchain initiatives unfold, ongoing evaluation will be essential to assess their effectiveness and impact. We may see the establishment of independent oversight bodies tasked with monitoring the implementation of blockchain technology in government, ensuring that it meets its intended goals of efficiency and transparency. Increased scrutiny could lead to iterative improvements and adaptations to the technology as it is rolled out. Conclusion. Elon Musk's exploration of blockchain within the U.S. government represents a significant intersection of technology and governance with the potential to revolutionize federal operations. While the journey may face challenges, the future outlook suggests a transformative impact on how government functions, increasing efficiency, transparency, and public trust. As DOGE moves forward, the next few years will be critical in determining the feasibility and effectiveness of blockchain integration in government operations.